welcome. Ideas and thoughts have always been the biggest valuable asset that human has ever had in their life. So when you go around and look at the world, you see a lot of cool places, you see a lot of cool gadgets, and you see a lot of cool buildings, right? But have you ever thought to yourself that this has been an idea, a thought? Well, look at a light bulb that I have in my room. Thomas Edison invented that through hardships and through a lot of failures. It was once an idea, came to real life. Because of that, now our life is easier. So you need to tell yourself that ideas is what makes me truly special and stand out. And when you are on self-improvement, you want to get ahead of many people. You want to go there, strive for greatness. But what's going to make you excel and what's going to make you actually stand out in a crowd of self-improvement people are always going to be your ideas and your viewpoints. Because if you gather 10 people and all of 10 people have the same exact ideas and same exact goals, have the same exact views on many things, they're not going to stand out from each other. They're going to be, oh, it's that guy. Oh, he thinks that. No, you're not going to stand out. And today I'm going to tell you what I've been doing, what you can do to actually get ahead quickly. Think of ideas, think of anything you want in the world, and let's get it. So first, my name is Creepkay, and I've been doing this fucking YouTube for almost 2 years now. I started with like Roblox and such, and now I switched back to this kinds of videos like self-improvement stuff. And almost 2 years ago, my life was it was a shithole. I had nothing going for my experiences. I had nothing besides fucking Roblox and fucking video games. I was really addicted to many things, and I changed my life completely. And I make these kinds of videos to tell you how to get better. These are just my thoughts. Don't take it 100% honest. Don't take it 100% serious, because this is what I think. This is what I've been doing, and it's not a proven method to actually work. So let's get it out of the way. If you enjoy what I say or what I do, click the like, because that's the only way I'm going to know if people actually enjoy what I do. And I make these kinds of videos to actually tell my future self, I made it. My bad. Sorry for wasting your time. Because if you watch my stuff, I feel like you're my friend and we're bros. Let me shake your hand and let's start. So, quickly. When you think of ideas, when you think of thoughts, when you look at someone else, they have their like viewpoints on things, right? Let's go and make the simplest example as possible. Your friend makes a pizza. He gives you the pizza. You like it, but there's something wrong with that pizza. So you think of it. What's wrong? Oh, I don't like the tomatoes. I don't like the shape because I kind of spilled it. So when you go home, you're like, okay, I'm going to change the shape from square to triangle. And I'm going to change tomatoes to mushrooms. And I'll add, except for ketchup, I'll add mayo or something. Now, you've got a whole new dish out of his idea. Boom. Mind-blowing. Now, you go in the market. Don't call it pizza, you can call it Zap or something. Pizza Zip. Let's call it Azip. And your friend's like, dude, that tastes delicious. Not only he likes it, but the people that eat it also like it because you stole it from him. It's not really stealing because you changed stuff and you got an inspiration out of him, but that was really fast to change because if you had to sit down, think to yourself, okay, what kind of food should I make? What shape? What ingredients? It would have taken you much more time. And since time is the most valuable asset that you own, since time is the only limited thing that you have in this planet, well, there are many limited stuff, but I think that the time that you have on your hands is the most limited one out of many resources, whether that's fucking farming equipment, whether that's bottles. I think that time is only limited, and with time you can make your life even better or worse. And time is the biggest thing that you own, so don't waste it on thinking too many things. Just get others' idea, change it, now apply to you. because there's no such thing as one person's food. There's no such thing as one person's outfit, because we are all extraordinary and we are all unique. We have different ideas and we like different foods. So if someone comes up to me and says, "What's your favorite snack?" and I say pretzels, his favorite snack is not gonna be pretzels, but it's gonna be chips or something else. Because when you think to yourself, when was the last time you met someone who had the similar taste as you? Okay, you might have had two similar interests in, let's say, music and outfits. What about shoes? What about socks? What about, shirts? So when you think that way, you can apply this thing that I've told you to move forward. Take one's idea, change it, apply to you. So what I've done the most was from the people who are unsuccessful. I've looked at many people in my life who were not that successful. I'm not trying to sound egotistical, because I'm not even successful. I'm not even that successful, and it's probably too early for me to say, "Oh, I'm successful." No, I'm striving for greatness, and if I want to learn from someone, and if I want to achieve success, I either have to learn from someone who is successful. I don't really have access to that one, or don't make the same mistakes that unsuccessful people did. I am not clowning on anyone. I'm not saying that they lived a unsuccessful life. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that what I've labeled successful may not be the same that you label as successful. For you, a rich person may be someone making $10,000 a month, but for me, it may be making $1 million a month. So I'm not saying that that's what I think of, like, being rich or something, but if you look at the world, I've put a different label on success, and if I want to achieve that, I have to take someone's example out of that and apply it to me. I don't have those kinds of people, so I'm gonna take who is unsuccessful, change it, apply to me. So if you want to become a footballer, you don't listen to ballerinas, you don't listen to basketball players, and you don't listen to baseball players. You listen to a football player. Okay, that's pretty much common sense. Then why are you listening to your teacher giving you life advices? Okay, why are you listening to your math teacher giving you, advices on how to get better at English or something? Okay, they may be more experienced in the English than you are, but still, learning from someone who is more experienced in something that you want to know or you want to get better at is the most effective way to get ahead in life. So the next time you're talking to someone who you don't really deem as successful, listen to them. They say, "Oh, I've done X, Y, and Z in my life," and you like the Z part of that equation. You take out X and Y, change it, apply to you. So let's just say someone says, "Oh, when I wake up, I drink 3 cups of coffee, and then I go and work out, and then after I come home, I usually have dinner, which consists of chips." Okay, you like the idea that he works out, but you don't like the idea that he has 3 cups of coffee and chips as dinner. Who the fuck does? But that's okay. Now, you like his idea of working out. You put it on your ideas list. What other two can I add? Okay, when I come home, I have to take protein. Oh, eggs. Good. But what about pre-workout? Okay, carbohydrates. Boom. That's your idea now. Because up until now, you may have not thought of working out, but he inspired you. That is now innovation for your life. When someone tells you something, get it in your head. Think, how can I change it to make myself better using that advice or that thing that they told me? You change it, now it's your idea. Now you get better at it. Now you become better at it. Now someone's gonna say, "That's immoral. That's bullshit." No, it's not. You just get inspired by someone. What's wrong with being inspired by someone else in life? This is not fucking dark manipulation tactic, or this is not some kind of dark magic. It's just you getting inspired by someone else. That's it. and you learning from someone else's mistakes, or you learning from someone else's experience. There's nothing wrong with that. The only person who's gonna disagree with me on this and say, "Oh, you are wrong," is the person who doesn't really do much with their lives. Because if they did much with their lives, they would not really have time and energy to actually go in the comments below and type that message out. Because deep down, they know that if you truly want to become someone else and someone who is worthy of respect and success, you need to have an idea. You need to have a thought that makes you stand out in the crowd. I'm not saying that you need to rely on that 100%, no, because you are creative in your mind, and you need to unleash that creativity that you have in your mind. Don't really rely on others. This is like a supplementary kind of thing that you can do on a daily basis. I'm not telling you this is the way, this is the absolute way that you're gonna gain respect, success. No, this is just supplementary. You can use it anytime that you want it. You can apply to your life whenever you want it, but this is not something that you need to rely on. So next time you go out, think of what other people tell you, and change it, make it tailored to you. Go there, achieve success, then look back on what you have thought of, change it until it becomes solid. So that's my take on why stealing ideas can make you better at life, and how you can steal ideas from other people. It is not immoral. If I came out as immoral or egotistical, I'm really sorry from deep down, and all I want you to do is become successful at life. So when we go there, we shake our hands and we're like, we made it. Oh, I remember you being at 800 subscribers. Dude, I've been watching you since 1,000 subscribers. That is so cool. Yeah, it's gonna be really cool. So see ya, take care, and I hope you liked it.